Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the apps. So let's scroll down and they should appear under the battery and device care. Now all you have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the Reset Up Preferences option. And as you can see here, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.